So that's the order?
Well, this is an old order, but I mean, I'm not going to act based off of this, just with an old signature.
Oh, yeah, for a judge that's not even here anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So.
For sure. That's probably the smartest move you ever made. No, I'm just kidding. But definitely, I appreciate that. I would, if a current judge signed it, then we could have a discussion, and then, whatever happens.
Pretty
happens.
much, so I get what you're doing, you're out doing what you need to be doing. So.
Yeah, just out, exercising my constitutional rights, sir.
Yeah,
that's all I'm doing.
So.
Yep. The same ones, and it's always so funny to me because it's the same, or ironic, I should say, because it's the same ones that each and every one of you that are looking for this judge's orders took an oath to uphold, right? So I can't wait to see the judge's order because normally it's usually inside the courtroom, but even if it is inside the hallways or something, that would be unconstitutional. But we would, I want to see the order first. I don't even know if it exists, so I'm not gonna debate an order that I don't even know if it exists.
Well, and I'm not one of those guys who's going to chase you around the building and try to grab your phone.
Yeah. We could
Papers,
de-escalate. Exactly. There's no need for it to get out of control. I'm not obviously a threat to you or anyone here. You know that.
No.
We're just waiting to see some documentation, and then we can
Go forward from there.
Exactly.
Okay. So, thanks for your patience, Sean.
Sure.
Obviously, I understand you were standing up here for a while.
Yeah.
So we have a signature from Judge Sally Picorni, Division 2, that courtroom right there. Signed today, courtroom, local rule 1. That's the one that's posted on the doors that says recording inside the Judicial Center is prohibited without prior permission of the court. This includes audio and video by any means. According to this does refer to the whole building, including the hallways.
So the old building.
No, this is this building, the JLEC.
Mm-hmm.
So at this point, I will ask you to stop your phone, stop your recording,
Okay. And
I can get you a copy of this.
yeah,
You want a
that's
signed copy.
Oh yeah, because you just got it signed right now, didn't
Correct,
you?
yeah.
It's
Okay.
been in order, but we didn't have assigned judges.
I mean, how could it be in order, respectfully, if no
It's a
judge
judge's
is
order, but we couldn't, at the moment, find a signed one. So that's,
So you guys took
it's
this
been
and
in
had it
order.
signed. Is this the chief administrative judge?
No, it is not.
He's not
out.
available, but he has ordered, if he's not available, another judge can order it. If you look at the front door, it's out there.
Yeah.
It just
No, it's
wasn't
assigned,
signed,
yeah.
and I would prefer to have a signed one.
Yeah,
So
for sure.
that's why we got
So
it.
this order right here, it doesn't supersede the United States Constitution, does it? Or our rights? Doesn't, right?
This order just says you cannot record.
Because you guys are law enforcement, that's not a law.
Yeah.